Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a beautiful bag that I got from the company Polene. They are based out of Paris. The bag that I purchased actually shipped from Spain. So I ordered it about, I'd say a week or so ago, a week ago, and it arrived yesterday evening. So I have actually already unboxed it, but I wanted to reveal it to you and kind of give you a breakdown of my first impressions and how my things kind of fit in there real quick. I will do a more in-depth review and stuff once I've used the bag a little bit more, but for now, let's just have a geezer and I'll let you know what I think about it. A quick little story before I show you which style I did choose from Polene. I had been eyeing that brand for quite a while, and it took me a long time to figure out what style I wanted. At first I was looking at the Uno 1 Nano. However, the opening of that kind of put me off. This one was one that I had been keep going back to, and I ended up deciding to go with it because it was different and it was something that I don't have in my collection. Is here. This is the box that they send their bags in, like the box like this. So the one I got was the Numero Huit Mini. Now that's 8, so the number 8 mini. I have to say this packaging is beautiful. It did come in another box. It just didn't come like this. It came in a shipping box, and then it was in this. It's in this box right here. The way that a company packages their items when they send them really does mean a lot to me, as far as kind of determining what kind of quality and things like that that you should expect, especially from a luxury brand, which is what Polene is considered, especially in Europe. Okay, so first of all, this is how it came. Well, this is how it comes. It comes in with some tissue wrap on the front, and there was actually a little sticker there, but because I've opened it already, it's not there anymore. It does come with a little card. And when you open it up here, the first thing you see is the dust bag. And this dust bag is extremely high quality. I'm very, very impressed with it. It's like a thick, kind of soft, kind of, I can't think of the word. It's not rough. It's really soft and kind of fluffy almost. I don't know. It's hard to explain. But this is really nice, and then it does have a drawstring, and then the inside is a different kind of cotton blend, which is really, really nifty. So here is the bag here. All right. So this actually did come wrapped in bubble wrap, and very, very well protected, especially being internationally shipped. I was very impressed. This is in the cognac color, and as I mentioned, this is the mini version, so this is a smaller version, but this is perfect for me because I don't carry very much as in a handbag capacity. So this is full grain pebbled leather. It's very, very beautiful. They do make a smooth leather as well, but I honestly feel like this one for this particular bag looks beautiful in the pebbled leather. You can see up close here. But it's not overly pebbled. It's just got a little texture to it. They do have some descriptions on their website about their leather, and they can show you like kind of swatches of pictures of the different ones, which I thought was really nifty, especially in each individual style, so you can kind of see which one you might prefer. I do want to get something in their smooth leather, but I feel like with this, it won't scratch as easy as smooth leather. That's just my opinion. So let me do a little spin around. So the cognac is like a darker brown. They do have a camel. And the light's kind of picking it up to make it look lighter, but it's a really nice kind of rich brown. Now this, outside the pleats and everything, this is one piece of leather. So it starts kind of at the back here, and it goes around, as you can see the stitching right there, and it goes around, and it's kind of designed so it folds in, but they're not separate pieces. It's all one piece of leather. And it smells really good. When I showed this to my husband, the first thing he did was smell it, because I've had so many different leather bags that he's just like, that's what he just does. He looks at the quality, he smells it to see what it's like. There are 4 feet on the bottom, as you can see, and it does have glazing to protect it as well. The stitching on this is just lovely. It does say Polene on the side here. And I love this white on brown stitching. It's what a lot of luxury brands are doing these days, which is kind of nifty. This handle here is fixed, but you can kind of move it back and forth if you need to. And same with the crossbody strap. It is adjustable. So there are 6 holes. And it's like the one where you pull it, you kind of pull it and it comes out, and then you adjust it. You push it back in, whichever little hole that you need. It doesn't come off, it's not removable, which I mean, I understand because of the design, it's supposed to be really kind of classy and classic, and it is nice. I mean, it would be nice if it was removable, but then again, I think it would take away from the aesthetic value of the bag. This does fit me very well crossbody. I have it on the longest setting, and I'll try to pop some on the body videos if I can of me wearing this bag, because you can wear it over the shoulder, crossbody, on your wrist. The bag does close with this like a slide. It's so you don't have to worry about tying it. I've had bucket bags in the past from Louis Vuitton, and I had to sell it because the tying thing was getting on my nerves more than anything else. So this does slide down, and it's not like really loose, so you can just kind of, if you cinch it in, you can actually really close the top part of this bag, so you don't have to worry about things falling out when you do have it, you know, because of the style. But I think I'm just going to try wearing it with it just undone, because honestly, it's not the biggest opening in the world when it is even all the way kind of slid down. And while it's on my body, I want to be able to get in and get my things out pretty easily. So very, very pretty. Now the inside, there's no organization in the inside. There's no pockets. There's no key loop thing or a little loop, but it is lined with like a micro suede, which is really, really pretty. I don't know if I can show you. Let me see. It's kind of hard because of the because of the way this bag is. But as you can see there, if you can kind of see, it's a micro suede. So it is kind of like a black hole if you know, if you would consider it black, but it's because it's so small, I don't feel like that. And I have tested my things in there, so I'll kind of give you a little bit of a peek on how I do it. So I have my small set piece. I actually switched to this hand sanitizer because it fits really nicely in the pleat inside. I have my keys in this little key pouch by NCO. And then I switched to my wallet to this, because honestly, the other one that I was using, I don't know, I just wanted something a little smaller. So I switched back to my Louis Vuitton key pouch or key clay. And then of course I've got my phone, which is a iPhone 12 Pro Max by Apple. So what I usually do, what I've figured out to do is to put my small set piece kind of in the middle. So it's like a divider. And then in front of it, I've got my key clay. And then behind it, the hand sanitizer in one of the little pleats, because it fits perfectly in this little pleat bit right here. And then the key pouch behind, you know, with my hand sanitizer. And then my phone just in the front, like that. And everything actually fits in there pretty well. It's kind of hard to see because of the way that this bag is, but you can kind of get an idea. And then you can actually, I can cinch it up if I want to, like this. But honestly, I don't know. I kind of like the look of it with it open a little bit, even if it's just to there, actually all the way down. It's kind of nicer. But it depends on how you prefer it. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful quality, really high-end craftsmanship, great customer service. This is very reasonably priced for being a luxury European brand. So this was $290 US plus $20 shipping, but the $20 shipping is DHL, so it got here in 3 days. I ordered something from another brand over here, and it took 2 or 3 weeks to get to me. So it's just, I think honestly for the price, it's really good. They do have some other beautiful options and styles on their website, which I'll pop the link down below that you can check it out. I do have my eye on a couple of others that I do want to try, but I'm going to have to kind of wait or sell some more stuff. As you can see, I have sold a lot of my bags. I've gotten rid of one particular brand completely for personal reasons, and I'm branching out to try other brands and other options for, you know, looking for brands that have really good ethics, wonderful craftsmanship, great customer service, and just really worth me spending my money with them. So this definitely is one that I will go back to. I think Polene is just a lovely, lovely, unique style, classic. They have several different colors that they're coming out with and stuff like that on a regular basis. So definitely check out their website. So if you have any questions or comments, please pop them below. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you for the next one. Bye.